Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about Nestjs framework features. Nestjs employs a modular architecture, encapsulating features into distinct modules. This design enhances code reusability, organization, and scalability, allowing easy addition or removal of modules. It also improves testability by isolating components. However, it may introduce overhead for small projects and requires a learning curve to structure effectively. Nest.js employs a modular architecture, encapsulating features into distinct modules. This promotes code reusability, scalability, and maintainability. It enhances testability by isolating components. However, it may introduce overhead in small projects and requires a learning curve for proper structuring. Nest.js's built-in dependency injection streamlines service and component integration, enhancing testability and reducing boilerplate. It fosters a loosely coupled design, simplifying testing and dependency mocking. However, beginners may find it complex, and excessive abstraction can obscure clarity in smaller applications. Nest.js leverages TypeScript, offering static type checking and advanced tooling. This enhances developer productivity by reducing runtime errors and providing excellent IDE support. While it aids in maintaining large code bases, newcomers face a learning curve, and an additional compilation step is necessary. Nest.js simplifies testing with built-in jest support, streamlining unit and end-to-end testing. It reduces setup time, encourages test-driven development, and offers mocks for easier test writing. However, developers need to invest time in crafting meaningful tests, which might seem excessive for smaller projects.
Nest.js provides robust GraphQL integration, supporting both schema-first and code-first approaches. It seamlessly integrates with Apollo Server, offering flexibility and efficient data fetching from modern APIs. However, GraphQL introduces complexity over REST, with a steeper learning curve for schema design and resolvers. Nest.js excels in microservices support, enabling seamless communication with transport layers like Redis, Kafka, or gRPC. This architecture enhances scalability and is ideal for enterprise systems. However, it involves a more complex setup than monoliths and increases operational overhead in deployment and monitoring. Nest.js's CLI tool accelerates development by generating boilerplate code and maintaining a consistent project structure. It efficiently scaffolds modules, controllers, and services, enhancing productivity. However, the generated code might require customization, and it can obscure underlying complexities, potentially hindering deeper learning. Nest.js middleware and interceptors centralize common logic, enhancing controller cleanliness and supporting advanced use cases like request, response, transformation. They improve maintainability and separation of concerns. However, overuse complicates debugging and presents a steeper learning curve for beginners.
Thank you for watching video. Please subscribe the channel for more videos.